Hey everyone, welcome back. So we have all been there. You need to make a quick WhatsApp group for a specific event, like a garage sale, a school project, or a weekend trip. But the problem is you really don't want to save 20 random strangers' phone numbers into your personal contacts just to add them. It clutters up your phone and it's just annoying. Well, the good news is you don't have to. I'm going to show you a simple workaround to get everyone into a group without saving a single new contact. Let's do this. Okay, so here's the thing about WhatsApp. To actually create a new group, you're forced to add at least one person initially. You can't start an empty one. Open WhatsApp and tap the button to start a new group. Now, just add one person you already trust, like your best friend, your partner, or even a second number you own. Give the group a name, like Weekend Trip, and hit Create. Here's a pro tip. If you want the group to be only strangers, you can remove that friend right after you create it. Now you have a solo group ready to go. Now that the group exists, we're going to use a link to bring people in, instead of adding them manually. Tap the group name at the very top to open the settings menu. Scroll down past the list of participants until you see an option that says Invite via link or Invite to group via link. Tap that, and you'll see a unique URL appear. Tap Copy Link. This is the best part. You now have a key to your group. You can paste this link anywhere. You can email it to your team, drop it in a Zoom chat, or text it to them. When they click that link, they will add themselves to your group. This means you never have to save their number, and they don't even need to save yours. They just hop right in. And that's it. You now have a full group chat, and your contact list is still clean and organized. If this little trick saved you some time, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up. It really helps the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.